Now, sixth question. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? So here, what is the present temperature of the room? 40 degrees Celsius. And the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour decrease. At every hour, the temperature should be reduced to 5 degrees Celsius for a particular freezing process. So every 5 year, each hour the 5 degrees Celsius is reducing. So what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? Now write this. Current temperature of the room or present temperature, a certain freezing process require that room temperature be lowered from 40 degree. Now present temperature is 40 degree. 40 degree from means the present temperature is 40 degree or current temperature is 40 degree Celsius at the rate of 5 degree Celsius every hour. So changes in temperature after 10 hours means, so minus 5 degree. 5 degree is reducing or decreasing means we have to minus. So now we have to 10 changes in temperature after 10 hours means 10 into and 5 5 rate of 5 degree every hour. It should be reduced, lowered. Lower means reduced. 5 degrees Celsius is reduced every hour. So current temperature is or present temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Changes in temperature after 10 hours is 10 into minus 5 degree minus 5 because the temperature should be reduced every 1 hour. Every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? So every hour the 5 degrees Celsius should be reduced. Now question, what will be the temperature after the process begin? Therefore room temperature after 10 hours, 40 degrees Celsius is present temperature plus it reduced 10 into minus 5 degree Celsius. 10 into minus 5 degree Celsius. 40 degree Celsius plus 10 into minus 5 degree Celsius. Every hour the temperature is reduced to 5 degree. So after 10 hours means 10 into minus 5 degree Celsius. Now 40 degree Celsius, write the same thing here. 40 degree Celsius because no place here plus plus into minus is minus 10 5 is a 50 degree Celsius. Now answer is different symbol means subtraction. Plus 40 minus 50 means minus 10 degree Celsius. So after 10 hours the room temperature is minus 10 degree Celsius. Now 8th one. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and loss of rupees 5 per bag after grey cement sold. So there is a two types of cement. One is a white cement, another one is grey cement. First question, the company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is the profit or loss? Now 8th question, a cement company earns a profit of rupees 8. So while selling white cement, the company earn profit 8 per bag. For one bag 8 rupees profit. And loss of rupees 5 per bag on grey cement. So profit of rupees 8 rupees 8 for one bag by selling the white cement and loss of rupees 5 rupees loss by selling one bag of grey cement. Now a question, the company sells 3000 bags of white cement. So profit or loss here? White cement means profit. Profit of rupees 8 per bag. For one bag 8 rupees profit. So 3000 into 8, that is the profit. And 5000 bags of grey cement. Company sells 5000 bags of grey cement means this is in loss. Okay, 5 rupees per bag. For one bag 5 rupees loss. So 5000 into 5 is loss amount. Then in a month, 1 month, what is its profit or loss? So 1 month 3000 into 8 profit white bag cement and loss is 5000 into 5 rupees loss amount. Okay, for one bag 5 rupees. So 5000 bag means 5000 into 5. Profit is 3000 into 8. Then now we have to find the difference. If profit is more or loss is more. First we have to find. So here white cement is, while selling white cement, company earning profit. And after selling grey cement, company earning loss. For 1 bag 5 rupees loss, so 5 into 5000, and here 8 rupees profit for 1 bag. So 1 month 3000 bags of white cement is selling, and in 1 month 5000 bags of grey cement. So grey cement is selling under loss and white cement profit. Now write this is answer. A company sells 3000 bags of white cement, therefore profit in that particular month 3000 into profit amount is 8 rupees. 3000 into 8, how much? 0 0 0, and 8 3 is 24. So 24,000 profit. Answer is 24,000. And loss, after selling 5000 bags of grey cement, the company recur loss. So loss, grey cement 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. So 5000 into loss amount is for 5 rupees for 1 bag. For 1 bag 5 rupees is loss, so 5000 into 5, here 8 rupees profit on 1 bag. Okay, 5000 into 5 is 0 0 0, 3 zeros, and 5 5 is 25. So here profit is more or loss is more? This is loss, and here profit. 25,000 is more than profit. Therefore loss is greater than profit. Loss is greater than profit. Loss is 25,000 minus profit is 24,000. Therefore loss is 1000 rupees loss to the company. 1 month the company have 1000 rupees loss. Now B question is, what is the number of white cement bag it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? If number of grey bags sold is 6400 bags. So here what is the number of white cement bag it must sell to have neither profit or loss? We know that while selling white cement we are getting profit, and after selling grey cement bag we are getting loss. Okay, so 8 rupees per bag. For 1 bag we are getting 8 rupees profit on while selling white cement, and 5 rupees loss on 1 bags of cement. Now here question is neither profit or not loss. So we have to find how much white cement bag have to be sold to get neither profit or neither loss. So we know that must sell to have neither profit or loss. If number of grey bags sold is 6400. Now here 6400 grey bags are sold to equalize not profit and not loss. So equalize neither profit or loss. So how much white cement bag we have to sell? So here let X be the number of white cement bags sold. Okay, let X be the number of white cement bags sold. So here we know that, then what will be the equation? X into 8 rupees per bag. We are getting profit of 8 rupees per bag. 8 rupees profit on per bag. So X into X is number of white cement bags. Okay, X into 8, this is white cement, and here grey cement 6400 bags is sold. 6400 bags, for each bag we are getting 5 rupees loss. Okay, 5 rupees loss into 5. We have to equalize neither profit neither loss. So 6400 grey bag we are selling into 5, and X we have white cement bag, and we are getting profit. Here we are getting loss. So find the value of X now. Equation X into 8 equals 6400 into 5. X equals 6400 into 5, and this 8 will become division 8. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64, 0 0. Okay, now 800 into 5 we have to multiply. X equal 800 into 5 means 10 So 2 0 we can write directly. 5 8s are 40. So we are getting 4000 bags. So x equal 4000. 4000 into 8. How much? 32,000. And 64,000 into 5. Okay. X into 8. So x value is now 4000. Therefore, 4000 bags of white cement must be sold to have neither profit or loss. Now, ninth one, in my textbook page number is 22, ninth one, replace the blank with an integer to make a true statement. In that first one, a minus 3 into dash equal 27. So, which number should we multiply with 3 to get 27? So, here plus symbol means here should be minus symbol, negative symbol. The minus into minus is plus. 3 how much is 27? 3 9s are 27. Then B1, 5 into dash equal minus 35. So 5 into dash number, which number multiply to get minus 35. So here minus symbol is there. So greater number should be minus. Here plus symbol. So greater number, next number should be minus. Then only plus into minus is minus. 5 how much is 35? 5 7s are 35 is correct. Now C1 dash into minus 8 equal minus 56. So 8 how much are 56? We have to check. 8 how much are 56? 8 7s are 56, and here minus symbol. Minus into plus is minus. So positive 7. And D1 dash into minus 12 equal 132. 12 into dash number we have to multiply to get 132. 12 into dash number you have to multiply to get 130. How you know that? These numbers are very simple. 3 9s are 27, very simple, we can do it. And 5 7s are 35, a simple number. 8 how much means 8 7s. Here 12 how much are 132. How we can find? Divide it. 132 divided by 12. 132 divided by 12 means 12 ones are 12, 1 carry, 12 ones are 12. So answer is 11. 11 into minus 12 equal 132.